How to log in Charles Schwab account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can log into your Charles Schwab account. For this, you can open up any preferred browser. Here, I'm going to open Google Chrome. Now, on the search bar, you want to search for schwab.com. Once you land on this page, if you do not have an account, you can simply create one by tapping on Open an Account option. Now you will have to select the type of account you want to open and fill up the details in order to open your account. If you already have one and only want to log into your account, go ahead and tap on the Login option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the login option, it's going to bring you to this portal. Now, in order to log in, you first of all want to enter your login ID. After that is done, you want to enter your password. Make sure that you have entered the correct password. Now, if you want your login ID to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Login ID. Only do this if you're using a personal device or computer. Now you can also select your start page. For that, tap on this drop down menu and select whichever option you want. So if you want mutual fund trading, select that option. Once that is done, simply tap on the login option. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your login ID or password, you have the links over here in order to reset your password or retrieve your login ID. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.